Oh my God, yung crown winner Chelsea Manalo. Ginulat ang lahat as she reinvented her latest look into short hair para sa Miss Universe Philippines 2024. Ganito ang video ating panuhon.
Love Yokoneras, don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated